Hi, I'm Chloe, and I'm happy to provide you with an overview of an overnight freight associate role at the Home Depot, Canada. Your role as an overnight freight associate is key to a smooth shopping experience in our stores nationwide. Working through the night, you'll be preparing the shop floor for opening in the morning. You'll need a keen eye to ensure we maintain 100% stock levels for our store visitors. Keeping shelves and aisles clean and safe is also an important part of your job. You'll be working with other people, so good teamwork skills are very important. Working with equipment, you'll ensure stock is securely moved from staging areas to overheads. We're looking for ambitious staff, as promoting from within is a key part of our operation. We will give you all the training and development you need to be the best you can be. You may start as an overnight freight associate, but there is no limit to where you can get to, and we'll support you all the way. As a key member of our company's success, we'll reward you for your hard work. That's why we offer great benefits such as profit-sharing bonuses, staff discount payment plans, 10% shift premium, paid vacation time, retirement savings, and health and dental coverage. Start your journey as an overnight freight associate with the Home Depot, Canada by applying in a store location close to your home. We look forward to reviewing your application and hopefully welcoming you to our team.